Brush regularly, twice a day, for 2 minutes a time. A 30-second scrub twice a day won't remove plaque or prevent tartar. Use a brush with soft bristles that is small enough to fit into your mouth. Be sure to include the hard-to-reach surfaces behind your teeth and on your rear molars. Studies have found that electronic, or powered, toothbrushes may get rid of plaque better than manual models. No matter which type you use, be sure it has the American Dental Association seal of approval. These have undergone rigorous quality control and safety tests. Choose tartar-controlled toothpaste with fluoride. Fluoride will help repair enamel damage. Some products have a substance called triclosan that fights the bacteria in plaque. Floss, floss, floss. No matter how good you are with a toothbrush, dental floss is the only way to remove plaque between your teeth and keep tartar out of these hard-to-reach areas. Rinse daily. Use an antiseptic mouthwash daily to help kill bacteria that cause plaque. Watch your diet. The bacteria in your mouth thrive on sugary and starchy foods. When they're exposed to those foods, they release harmful acids. Try to eat a healthy diet and limit the amount of sugary foods you eat. That goes for snacks, too. Every time you eat, you also feed the bacteria in your mouth. Don't smoke. Studies show that people who smoke cigarettes or use other tobacco products are more likely to have tartar. Once tartar has formed, only a dental professional will be able to remove it from your teeth. So, visit your dentist every 6 months to remove any plaque and tartar that might have formed and to prevent further problems.